Hello friends, are you interested in knowing more about the best 90 cm chimney in India 2021? If yes, here comes the list of brands along with my reviews. I am Naveen Kumar. Welcome to my channel offer Amazon. Chimneys are a growing necessity in most kitchens today. Cooking usually involves a lot of smoke, and even more so in the case of Indian cuisine. This smoke and soot can affect your kitchen walls in the long run and cause breathing problems even as you are cooking, especially if the cooking involves a lot of frying and is smell-inducing. Below is a thoroughly researched list of the best 90 cm chimney available in the country, with details laid out so you can make the best decision. All product best buying link given in description. If you buy from this link, the channel will be of great help and maybe you get some discount. Number 5 on my list, Alstorm Sonet 90 cm kitchen chimney. Amidst a flurry of other competitors in the chimney manufacturing business, Alstorm has still managed to make a name for itself. This is owing to their premium quality chimneys sold at affordable prices. The Alstorm Sonet has a ton of impressive features in it. One of the first and most spectacular of those is the 2200 meters cubed per hour suction rate. It is no surprise that suction rate is one of the primary concerns any user will have in a chimney. With a massive suction rate like this, you are sure to have a wonderful cooking experience. The Alstorm has been designed elegantly and with much importance to its aesthetics. It has a curved black glass made of premium titanium and a glossy black finish. It gives the equipment a very exquisite look that makes your whole kitchen instantly more stylish. With a 90 cm size and 2200 cubic meters per hour suction rate, it is best suited for spaces that are bigger than 280 square feet. This is because a chimney with this kind of functionality is underused in a smaller area and might not be able to work to its full effect. The Alstorm Sonet also has a filterless chimney that is equipped with a detachable oil cup. This allows for a very easy cleaning process of the oil and smoke particles that are accumulated in the cup. The chimney is also equipped with two energy-efficient LED lights that make it more versatile. But the most favorite and popular of the features is undoubtedly the hydraulic system that opens up the chimney for use. If you want to buy the Amazon link given in description, please subscribe my YouTube channel. Number 4 on my list, Eurodomo 90 cm glass kitchen chimney. Eurodomo is a European brand well known for its range of kitchen appliances, sinks, and related accessories. The HCTC is the best 90 cm chimney in India that works excellent with stoves having 3 to 5 burners. The Eurodomo chimney is famous for its elegant aesthetics. This model is built to last and also has a sophisticated design that is sure to modernize your kitchen. It has baffle filters. The filters are made of high-quality stainless steel, which the brand claims can help clean all the oil, smoke, and residue particles. This feature also entails less upkeep and requires occasional maintenance only. The Eurodomo chimney has a touchscreen panel for quick and easy operation. It also saves you the hassle of having to clean dust and smoke particles from between the buttons, as there aren't any. Equipped with a powerful 1200 cubic meters per hour suction rate, it can, without a doubt, give you a wonderful cooking experience no matter how much smoke you expect to induce. If you want to buy the Amazon link given in description, please subscribe my YouTube channel. Number 3 on my list, Hindware Nadia 90 cm kitchen chimney. Hindware Nadia is one of the revolutionary products in the chimney industry. Being the best 90 cm chimney in India, it packs a lot of exciting and fresh features in its all-new, premium quality chimney model. It is a wall mount model with a curved glass design and is in elegant black color. The design of it is carefully done to give you an incredible experience while using it. It is a 90 cm chimney and works effectively for stoves with 3 or more burners. It is always essential to ensure that the chimney size is the right one for your stove before making a purchase. The Nadia model has a 1200 meters cubed per hour suction capacity and can handle even the most challenging oil and smoke particles during long hours of cooking and frying. It also has filterless technology, relying on just a screen to separate the motor and blower assembly. Equipped with a touchscreen control, the Nadia model also has a revolutionary new motion control sensor. You can now switch on the chimney with a simple hand motion right near the sensor. If you want to buy the Amazon link given in description, please subscribe my YouTube channel. Number 2 on my list, Elica 90 cm Auto Clean Chimney. Elica, too, is a brand famous for its chimneys, especially since they're one of the oldest and are the best 90 cm chimney in India. This particular model from Elica is no exception to its quality mark. It has an elegant design, making it a perfect choice for your kitchen and adding more style to it. It is designed carefully to occupy less space while looking classy. It is also made of toughened glass which promises durability. It has an all-touch control panel and no buttons at all. This feature gives it a classy edge and also makes it easy to handle. Cleaning becomes easy as no dust or smoke particles are accumulating in between buttons. This model by Elica has an excellent suction capacity of 1200 cubic meters per hour and will ensure that no matter the intensity of your frying or grilling, it can handle it all while keeping your kitchen clean. It also has a heat auto clean technology that efficiently solves the problem of cleaning your chimney. It now makes it possible with just the push of a button. This feature uses a heating element to remove oil and smoke particles from the chimney and stores them in the oil collector placed below. To make your chimney even more versatile, this model offers LED lamps on the panel to make it a helpful feature when you need some light on your cooking. If you want to buy the Amazon link given in description, please subscribe my YouTube channel. Number 1 on my list, Faber 90 cm Glass Kitchen Chimney. Faber is one among the list of old and the best 90 cm chimney in India to have ventured into the chimney manufacturing industry. They are primarily known for their quality and the competition they provide to their peers through maintaining years of trust and excellent products. The kitchen chimney can be chosen by the kind of stove you have at home. 90 cm chimneys are best suited for stoves with 3 or more burners. It is always essential to get a chimney that is either the same size as your stove or bigger. It has an excellent suction power of 1200 cubic meters per hour and has an increased capacity of sucking the oil particles and odor emitted from your cooking. It is filterless and the brand ensures that this feature can clean better through airflow angle instead of having to use a separate filter. This feature also means that your chimney is now low maintenance and consumable. The chimney also has a ton of other impressive features like touch control, heat auto clean that automatically cleans up oil and dirt, efficient LED lights, excellent suction capacity, lesser noise level, and finally, a powerful motor for durable and long-lasting performance. Thank you. Have a nice day.